How's it going? Today I want to talk about this 3-tier rolling cart. Now this rolling cart can hold over 500 pounds. It is tremendous, mainly because the casters are those like soft rubber casters, so they're extremely smooth and they also lock independent of each other. This has 2 handles right here, the 3 shelves, and then it has these little like post pieces that hold everything in place. One real neat thing about it is it comes with a legit mallet. This mallet is gonna go in my toolbox, so I'm gonna continue using this, but this was able to help tap this down, and there was a little plastic stick piece that helped keep it from getting damaged. Super easy to set up. The wheels just pop in place and then everything else gets tapped so that it is nice and tight. This cart has a multitude of functions. For me here, I'm gonna be putting different tools on each rack. I'm also gonna use this inside and outside. So for example, say someone comes home with groceries, I can take this cart out and fill all the bags on here and then roll it in place. If I'm at my shop or if I'm working on something like building a piece of furniture, I can go ahead and put different things on here to help separate. And also, it's just perfectly narrow, so it fits really well down hallways. It's got dual sided, so you don't have to worry about going one direction. The wheels are all 360-degree wheels, so they don't have to be, lined a certain way to turn. You can just kind of swing this around however you want. I was extremely impressed with this. I thought it being plastic, it may be a little flimsy. This is actually pretty durable. These posts are nice. It's got a smooth, slick look to it, and most importantly, the casters. They really are a game changer as opposed to having like plastic ones. These are nice rubberized wheels that are going to be able to go over many surfaces. I can't say enough about this cart. It's definitely going to stick around as far as being used for building things and just pretty much any task whenever I need something that can hold some items and also be moved around quickly.